beats, legendary beats.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back with another video. So those who are new on this channel, so please, I would really appreciate it if you click on that subscribe button and you become a part of this YouTube family. Basically, to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for stopping back by. And in today's video, I'm really not sure what I'll be getting up to, because one thing I know on the itineraries is that I need to go pick up a floor lamp that I ordered from Decofurn, and for the rest of the day I am really not sure what I'll be getting up to. So I am done doing my face, as you can see, so I'm about to change and head out. And yeah, but the weather is really looking so dull today, like it's raining, and I don't know what's up with this Joburg weather. But anyways, can't dwell too much on that, so let's just get into today's video. So this mirror is dirty, child. Guys, this is the new me. Imagine how I'm buying another bun. This one is so cute. And guys, this is the plug at Clearwater's Mall. There is this thingy, what do you call this stand, and it sells everything. Look at this Pampas grass for only 10 rand. So cute. I'm taking all of them, imagine. Okay, so I've just finished putting my Pampas grass. So I did cut it and I sprayed it with got to be glue so that it will stop shedding, because it was shedding quite a lot. So today I also picked up that plant there by the corner. So right now I'm gonna assemble this. Okay guys, so this is how it basically looks. Okay guys, on to my next project. So I bought these frames at Mr. Price Home. These ones. So I have no intention on using them like this. So I printed out these. So I will replace this picture with these. breath, but these are the frames. I am done with them, so the only thing that is left is just to put them up. I've been trying with the sticky things from Mr. Price Home, but those things don't work. Like, they kept on falling. I'm so tired, but I'm just gonna keep them like this for now until I find someone who can put them up for me, because that one I can't.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. So it's the next day, and I left off yesterday when I was doing the frames. So I'm glad that turned out quite well, because wow, they exhausted me trying to put them up with those sticky things. Okay, but I'm sure you saw all of that. But anyways, I just woke up. It is after 12, so I want to brush my teeth, wash my face, do my bed, water my plants, and then make breakfast, because I'm craving like something spicy. So yeah, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna make, so I think I will just include that in a vlog as well. So yeah, so let me just get going. And yeah, and also Joburg is really cold, guys. Like, is it me or I'm just tripping? But I don't know what is happening these days, but Joburg is just tripping, honestly speaking. But anyway, talk to you.
My business to thrive, my ideas to thrive, my nation to thrive, my government to thrive, my economy.
Few moments later.